So Thomas is head of printing operations at Flexoo, and he'll be telling us about excellence in European manufacturing with a focus on contract manufacturing and R&D services. No,
so I'm going today to present you Flexoo, the excellence in European manufacturing with our focus on contract manufacturing and R&D services. There we go. Okay, perfect. Our motto at Flexoo is we sense your needs. Some of you may know us already from a time where we were called Innovation Lab. I spare you that part, how we became Flexoo. It's somewhere in the off slides at the end, so if you're interested in it, if I have some time, I will just plop it up there. We deliver the end-to-end solutions from the initial development up to the final manufacturing of smart sensors and the electronics according to it. Our team will tackle all challenges you're throwing at us with dedication and expertise. And we are really focused on a fast and purposeful problem solving. So you will get in the end what you need tailored for your application. Fields we are already working in, I try to get past as fast as possible. We are working in the field of e-mobility and DBAS for battery monitoring solutions. We are in the area of detection and measurement for assets and assets control. We deliver already to logistics and retail for recognition and identification of goods, for example, security and traffic. In the automotive area, keyword here, for example, SBRs. We also work in the area of large and sustainability antennas, and a smaller field, which we are also is in tech support. So at Flexoo, we rely on 4 pillars. So this is what I'm going through now with you, 4 pillars. It's an outstanding sensor. It's a versatile wiring solution. We offer technically advanced solution and the gathered knowledge in our company. A lot of you already know 1 or 2 slides that will come now. They're showing our piezo-resistive pressure sensors we are offering here, which can be custom tailored to your solution. On those piezo-resistive materials, we are able to measure weight, temperature, humidity, leakage. Depends on what you are looking for. We can design it. Most of you already know our BAMO system is a battery monitoring solution we are offering also for sale on our website. This product is currently in over 20 test stands for batteries active and is used. But what little of you know by now, we just 3 weeks ago released a new system. It's called the Minimos. Minimos because, like you can see on one of the pictures, the electronics shrink from the size of an A5 sheet down to the size of a €1 coin. It is technically capable to do exactly the same as our BAMO system, but this time you don't need a computer, you don't need to have a specific software. You have this tiny electronic who does all the magic inside with a Bluetooth low energy on top of it. At the moment, only for pressure mapping, but temperature mapping is about to come. If we now take the sensors, for example, the pressure mapping sensors, temperature, humidity, leakage, whatever. I talked also about customization and customization with endless possibilities. For example, with our patent versatile wiring solution, my colleague Jean-Nicolas Tisserand, end of October, presented this already at the TechBlick convention in Berlin. Or was it Berlin? I don't know anymore. We developed a possibility to implement our sensors into nearly every surrounding. What you see here is an endless layout that can be printed roll to roll. And for example, for what you can see here is a temperature sensor that we printed 200 meter longs, and we can cut off this at any point. And we can, for example, make 10 meter long stripes. We can make 20 meter long stripes and read it out all with one electronic in the end. This is also where, for example, in the little summary came from with the bioreactor. We have a customer that is using this, for example, on the outside of a bioreactor to, in every 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter steps, control the temperature